In this video, I'm going to show you how to alter the shapes of your CEJs and have a little more control over the profile that's created from them. So first I'm going to select an abutment from the ones that are shipped with the software and import that abutment. I'm going to make sure that we are in advanced mode. And then when we grab our database profiles, we're going to choose the curve object instead of mesh. So press Ctrl Z, and I'm going to do that again. Database profiles curve. You'll notice that these profiles have a little bit more shape to them than the ones if you press database profiles mesh. Select a profile that you would like to alter. I'm going to change the lower molar here to make it more square instead of a pentagon. So once you have it selected, come here to this little object mode menu and change to edit mode. When you do that, you'll be able to see that this curve is created from control points and handles. The control points are in the middle and the handles are on the side. So you can select a control point by right-clicking, and you can select a handle by right-clicking as well. You can manipulate the handle by changing your pivot point to the median point and making sure that you've got the manipulator widget turned on. Now we can drag this control point around . You can even constrain the movement to be in line with the curve by choosing local, global, or normal as your transform orientation. You can also rotate points by selecting the rotation widget. And that works best on handles. So here, not a very practical example, I've changed the profile to a much more rectangular shape as opposed to a pentagonal shape. I also didn't really demonstrate that you can also lower the facial height of contour . Leaving the proximal heights of contour more coronal. So it takes a little bit of getting used to play with these curves and handles, but after a little bit of time you'll be able to create the shapes that you want. That's how these shapes were created in the first place. Okay, now that we've altered the shapes of the CEJ, now I will show you how you can alter individual profiles in your series. So press Connect CEJ to Base, and it's going to choose the preset that you have from the wizard menu up there. And now what you can do is just like you could select each CEJ, you can select each profile. So I'm going to select this premolar here. Then press Isolate View. Then you'll have just this single profile. You can change this individual profile to cone hourglass, convex, or deep convex. So if you have some teeth in your series that you would rather have just that one tooth be hourglass shaped, you can isolate your profile, reprofile this tooth as hourglass, go back to global view, and your other ones will have the same profile as you originally selected. So that allows you to reprofile individual APGs in your series.